PSL Pulse bafethu is the Carling Knockout Cup final. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Gallants 0. Ngiphethe awuthami uTumisho Tau. Awuthami before siqala nge-interview ngicela ukubuza uyikhosi ibhakane yayo Marumo Gallants ufavor?
Ngikhosi Grootman.
Khosi for life.
Yeah.
So ngicela ukukubuza question ne before siyakude. Coming to today's game, who were you backing up ukuthi awine today, Marumo Gallants or Pirates?
In terms of rivalry in 50 years now, I have to back Marumo Gallants. But this is heartwarming in Chayami. I went about emotional. I was a bit emotional when I see the camaraderie between I'm a player and a coach here, guys. This is beautiful. Yabona, we can fight all we want, but what I see, Pirates is heartwarming in Chayami. I'm way too jealous, and there was a point where I told my friend Jason, this is what I want, good Chiefs. This remind me of the back in the days, 2013 and whatnot. But this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. We can fight as much as we want. But what is happening to Pirates at this moment? Let's give them the opportunity to celebrate. Let's not criticize it. Like right now, our squad is literally them. And they deserve that. Honestly speaking, they deserve that. There's a beauty in Paris. There's a lot of happiness there. There's a camaraderie, as I told you before. There's an essence of understanding. This is football, and there's an impression. Everything that I saw with Pirates, there's everything that you need from a team. Everything.
So let me ask, I'm from
Polokwane. I'm literally from here. So I just went about. I'm out here. Like, no, you can't come here. I was like, you know what? I wanted to watch the front attack your Pirates. I'm in love with how they play. And it's reality. We can't just shy away from the fact of Uchi. We can bend as much as we want, but when it comes to Pirates in Jayam, there's a beauty everywhere.
At the end of the day, football is the winner, right?
Especially when it comes to Pirates. Yes. Yeah, I can use my anger and mind to Nina, can win the league, but reality always hit us. As I'm a fan with Chiefs, it always hit us. But in terms of as fees good in win the league, but the reality yes, money is so good. This guy
direction.
It's like that, Joe. If you're a Real Madrid fan, in terms of a tic-tac, those back in the days of Iniesta, the Barcelona team. If you're a Real Madrid fan, you are being honest to yourself. Yeah. You are like, you know what? There's nothing we can do. These guys are doing a good thing. Now he has good. The threat kwamanje yini bafethu
ngicela sivale mfethu
man of the match ngizoba khuluma ngo I have to speak about Mbogazi. This is a special player njani. This is the next Umabizela. Even though for me I know people will be like say what do we expect from a Chiefs fan uzokhuluma so. Even though for me I saw a Tottenham Hotspur captain but you know what, man? It's all about the money. When it comes to money, injection, family, they're gonna be okay. But for me, I'm disappointed with MLS. But he's a good player, Joe. Exceptional. Deserve man of the match all the way. Shout out to you, Pirates of Faith. I don't know how to say, but
shout out to Amapagania Bafethu. Danko.